Hey everyone, this is a quick video that we're going to show you how to log into your FamilySearch to do indexing. So we're going to go to FamilySearch.org and then we go up here to log in or sign in, and here you're going to put the same credentials as your LDS tools. So I'll type those in for me and sign in. Alright, once you're here, then you go up here to the left, you'll see Family Tree Search Memories Indexing. So click Indexing and you click Web Indexing. When you get there, you will see different options. If you scroll down, you'll see groups. Everybody who's in the 232nd Ward should be in the 232nd Ward group once you've logged in. So if you click on that, you will see some progress and adopted projects. If you'd like to try indexing some of these, you can, but it doesn't matter. You could also go back and do whatever indexing batches you would like. You can click the open batch or find batches to find something you want to do. If you want to try something that's beginning, intermediate, or advanced, you can click here. So let's say we want to do this guy right here, Liberia 2008 census. I'm going to do index, and it'll load it, and after that it'll tell you there's going to be a lot of instruction windows that come up, and you'll get going on indexing. There you go. See you guys.